Hi DevOps engineers, welcome to Devops Wonder, Devops for all. This is Tech Stacks of Devops. We are going to see about release-based technologies. This is part 5 of the series. We are going to see about release-based software applications. Release-based software applications, Jenkins. So Jenkins is one of the famous release-based software application. So Jenkins provides automation server which enables developers to build, test and deploy their softwares worldwide. So it automates the parts of the software development related to building, testing and deploying. And it also facilitates continuous integration and continuous delivery, that is CI/CD. Release-based software applications, CodeShip. So CodeShip is a hosted continuous delivery services. So this is mainly used for processing, building, testing and deploying code to various cloud environments. So cloud environment deployment is made simple with the help of CodeShips. So it will be helpful for continuous integration. So it has only a few steps to deploy our applications in the CodeShip. It integrates with GitHub, Bitbucket, and notifies when to test, and when the deployment is failed, it will give a notification to us so that we can work on that. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe DevOps Wonder, DevOps for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.